swell when I'm fast asleep. Down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one, you'll be sure to know.
What are you doing? Oh, Simon.
Oh no, not again.
Yep, we're probably not going to be able to have these low ones down here. We're going to have to move them up.
I'm not even going to be able to have them right here.
Well, he won't. Hold on, I have to pause this.
What did I
Alright, so we already discovered
I know
that
chewing on the
we
wire.
can't have low ornaments. So we got to move some up.
Because this little creature.
And yes, do not be chewing the wire. Oh, nope, he's chewing the tree.
Oh my god. Dude, yeah. What do you
Simon,
want?
what are you doing?
What do you want, mister? What do you want?
Get out of the tree.
She's like, I'm discovering a new
Get
habitat.
out of the tree.
Now he's chewing on that one. He's not chewing, he's licking it.
Yep, just...
Don't chew on the wire.
We might have to just keep it unplugged all the time if he's going to chew on it. Cause nope. No. Okay, want to unplug it, buddy? Unplug it. Don't pull the cord, pull the plug.
My god, dude. What are you doing? It's 30 seconds in setting this tree up and you're already doing this?
Yep. So, yeah. Our tree might be unlit for most of the time. And all the ornaments on the bottom might end up at the top. So, but I'll go ahead and show you guys. I'll go ahead and show you guys the rest of the ornament or the decorations that I have out. So we got our stockings. Our initials say rat. And then we got Simon's stocking. I just got a cute little Christmas house.
Rat cat.
Christmas, Father of Christmas.
Hey, Mom.
What?
Rat cat.
Yeah. Some snowmen. This thing used to be my mom's. I remember it from when I was a kid, and then she passed it on to me. It plays music. And then over here, a bunch of these also used to be my mom's, and she gave them to me. So this little nativity set is from when I was a child.
No.
This is an ornament that Trevor made, a little snow globe. It's got his picture in there. But that's all the decorations on the piano, and then above the piano I just have fa la 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 la, or fa la la. We have our countdown, which we're going to start tomorrow. Tomorrow is December 1st. A Merry Christmas sign.
Don't forget Santa's.
I have my Jolly rug. Okay guys, so I'm going to make, this is Pinterest, but I found like a cookie brownie batter Reese's Pieces cup treat that I want to make. It's basically just cookie dough, brownie mix, and then a peanut butter cup in the middle. I don't have a cupcake pan, so I'm just going to do it kind of like in a cake pan. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it turns out. So first, it says use a 10 ounce pack, but all the boxes, I just had a box already on hand. It's 18.3, so I'll probably have batter left over. But my cat wants to come in. Come on. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the brownie mix like I normally would if I was just making regular brownies. Oh, and I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 because that's what you cook it on. Okay, so I'm curious, how much are eggs where you guys live? So they're pretty expensive here, like either $3 to $4, but I actually have a local farm near me and they sell their eggs for $2 a dozen. So I definitely go there to get my eggs.
What are you doing? Just sitting at the door?
But it's all gonna have cookie and brownie.
Okay, good. But I don't want Reese's.
Yeah, I'll leave some
At
out.
least 5 without Reese's.
Okay.
But more than 5, but at least 5. Okay?
Yep.
You're coming back in? Come on.
Okay, so there's my brownie mix. Okay, so I'm gonna take my brownie or my cookie dough. I'm just using Betty Crocker's chocolate chip. This is 16.5 ounces. Probably could have used a smaller pan, but that's okay. I'll try to thin this out as much as I can. Okay, now I'm gonna take some Reese's. So I guess next time I'll just make sure I have 2 of those cookie doughs. I do have another one, but it's frozen, so that's not gonna do me any good now. Okay, so I'm gonna put it upside down. If I was doing cupcake tins, this probably would be enough cookie dough, just because I'd be using just a little bit in each cup. Okay, so this is all I'm gonna do because I'm gonna leave some without the Reese's because Trevor doesn't like peanut butter. So now I'm just gonna pour my brownie mix over top. Okay, so it says to cook at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in. to 18, and then we can always add time if we need to. I have one left. All right, so I'll let you guys know how they turn out when they are done. Okay, so another thing I wanted to do tonight was switch out my candles. So I usually switch them out like about once a month just because I get sick of like the same scent all the time. So I like to switch them out. So I'm putting away the spiced cake candle, and I'm gonna put out holiday pine. So put that one in the living room because that's where my tree is, and it will help my tree smell real. So I'll take the top off that after and then put that lid on. Okay, on the stove, I'm gonna have, this is the Twinkling Lights. That's from Yankee Candle. So I usually have a candle on my stove. And then in my bathroom, I usually have a wallflower. Sometimes I burn candles up here, but my cat likes to jump up on the sink, so I don't always like to have candles. So I'm gonna take this one out. It's the pumpkin pecan waffles, so that one was good for November. And then I'm gonna put, this is like a cranberry scented one, so I'm gonna switch those. Okay, so they're out of the oven, and it is about an hour later. Every time I came to check on them, they, like this side where there's no cookie or Reese's peanut butter cups, like was cooked. But this side was super like watery, and just, it took so much longer for it to cook because of the other stuff that's in there. They ended up being there for about an hour total, but the fork came out dry, they're done. So yeah, I'm just gonna let them cool a bit because they're super hot right now. And then I'll cut them up and give them a try. Okay, so I cut it open, or I cut it kind of in half too, so you could see what the inside of it looks like. So the cookie, I think, cooked a little bit too much because it was in there for so long. It's like really crispy on the bottom, but there's the peanut butter cup and then the brownie on top. So we'll taste it, see how it is. It was probably a fail, but as long as it tastes good, that's all that matters, right? And then I poured a glass of milk because there's nothing better than a glass of milk when you're eating chocolate and peanut butter. Okay, so it was good. The cookie part is a little crispy and maybe a little burnt tasting, but I'm not going to give up on this recipe. I'm going to use an actual cupcake pan next time I make these. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!